Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Purvangra Group new launch project located at Lokhandwala Circle, Andheri West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right behind me is the actual land parcel where the project will be constructed. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2 acres that will have 2 towers of ground plus 30 floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, multipurpose court, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Lokhandwala Circle, Andheri West, from where Infinity Mall is at a distance of 600 meters, New Link Road is at a distance of 700 meters, and you have Oshiwara Metro Station at a distance of 850 meters from the project. And now, talking about the configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 800 square feet, 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1150 to 1300 square feet and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1600 square feet. Also, now let's have a look at the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of Purvangra Group new launch project located near Lokhandwala Circle, Andheri West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.